Hi guys, we're at Barlaston crossing with Spike the Frog and Callow 5.
Yeah,
The time
now is 2023 on Saturday, the 11th of July 2015. For our slightly delayed 2021 hotel
This is where I look for trains on Barlaston. Come up here.
I look depends because I sometimes go on my phone and now I'm starting using my iPad. Send it onto Messenger, so put it on my channel, but I've forgotten my password again because what I got in my Google.
Yeah.
So I know that's
This is the last closure here, Spike.
Alright.
Yeah, and also I've only got 25 minutes, so I have to film with my phone and then film off the screen or something.
Yeah, I'm probably going up soon. Yeah, come here again and film Wedgwood as well.
I will. It just depends what times I've got there, because I've got Lincoln trip, I've got York trip, I've got Secret trip.
It's a secret trip. Oh, the American.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh gosh. Well, I'll give you a clue. American. You can guess where I'm going from there. I'll hopefully guess correct.
so. That's what you doing?
I mean, one place I really want to go is Watford North. I like that crossing, it's got nice old halogens.
Sitting on the bench.
Oh, Roz. It's cold.
Mm.
Oh, it's been raining.
So this is going to be a Virgin Pennsylvania to Manchester. Manchester. Right, I get you now. But what this is going to be?
Just a candy.
Oh.
I've got a lot of trips on my plan. I've got a lot of plans too in future.
Oh gosh, hold on. That expected past 2027. She's running quite late. Due to pass at 20.
I've been the video on YouTube where like it'll basically like there's a load of chaos in Blythe Bridge.
Yeah, in a second.
Hi, here she is. From London to London Euston to Manchester to Piccadilly. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.